Hi guys! Paper cutting craft with Goodman here. Father's Day is coming soon. Do you have any gift ideas for your beloved father? Today we want to show you how to make this cute pop-up card, a great idea for Father's Day. Here is what you need: color papers, 170-250 GSM, glue, scissors, double-sided sticky foam tape. Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin. Here's all the layers after cutting process. Follow our move, not too difficult. Finally, this is the finished creature. What do you think about it? Leave your opinion at the comments section to let us know what you think. If you like our tutorial, give us a thumb up. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, we're here to help.